Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin now. Remove the battery cover and batteries, then unplug any cable. Using the T8/T6 Torx driver, remove the visible screws. Keep them organized in a tray so they don't mix. Pry the shell gently with a plastic opening tool, starting at a seam. Once done, lift the top cover slowly to avoid snapping clips. Make sure to note the orientation of the circuit board and headphone jack assembly as you expose the internals. You'll now inspect the jack closely with a flashlight and tweezers. Debris or bent contacts often cause issues. If you see dirt, clean the socket with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab, then allow it to dry completely. If the jack is mechanically loose or the contacts are lifted, reflow the solder joints with a fine-tip soldering iron or swap the jack module. Take care to ground yourself and use minimal heat to avoid board damage. Once repaired, you'll reassemble by aligning the PCB and pressing the shell clips back into place. Reinstall screws evenly and avoid over-tightening. Reconnect batteries or plug in USB, then pair the controller and test with a known good headset to confirm audio and mic function. If sound persists with no change, make sure the headset works on another device, then revisit solder joints or replace the jack module. Troubleshooting tip. If intermittent audio remains, cold solder joints are likely. Reflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.